Okay, check this out. This has to be like the easiest way to deploy a cloud function. You just create a GitHub repository, name it whatever you want, make it public. You don't need any files. Then on your machine, run in a new directory npm init to generate a package.json file. You can also then go ahead and install the Netlify functions package and then run all the git fun. So git init, git add all files, create an initial commit, select the main branch if your machine isn't doing that automatically, run git remote add origin to add the origin to your GitHub repository, and finally push your code. Then go ahead, create a folder Netlify functions and a new file foo ts or whatever you want to call that function. And inside, you just add this super simple handler, which will just return status 200 and a super simple body. Of course, you could do a lot more here. Once you're done, run the commit and push your code and head over to Netlify. Inside Netlify, log in, create an account. It's free, whatever you want. Hit add new site, import an existing project, select GitHub, then select your project, and you can leave it at the default settings. It will automatically run the right build. Once you're done with that, you should see your site is deployed. You can go to functions. You will find your function right here, including the URL. And if you execute the URL, you should see your result. Now, why is this interesting for also Ionic or front-end developers? Well, I wanted to create a sign up with an email list that always requires an API key, which is secret, and you don't want to expose this in the front end. So if you need a way to trigger an API endpoint using a secret key, this is like the fastest way to do it. Because in Netlify, you can also then specify an environment. You can specify environment variables. So you could easily have your secret key inside Netlify. It is secure from your Ionic app or Angular app or anything you use. Just hit that endpoint and everyone is happy.